how to reverse money on the Capitec app. Voiceover script. Title: How to Reverse Money on Capitec App Step-by-Step Guide. Intro: Accidentally sent money to the wrong person or made a wrong payment on Capitec? In this video, I'll show you how to request a money reversal using the Capitec app. Step 1. Open the Capitec app. First, open your Capitec banking app and log in with your remote PIN. Step 2. Go to Payments. From the home screen, tap on Payments and then select Payment History to view your recent transactions. Step 3. Select the transaction. Find the payment you want to reverse, then tap on it to open the transaction details. Step 4. Tap Reverse. If the payment qualifies for reversal, you'll see a reverse option. Tap it and confirm the reversal request. Step 5. Wait for processing. Capitec will process your request. Keep in mind, reversals aren't always guaranteed, and fees may apply. The bank will notify you once it's successful. Outro. And that's it. That's how you try to reverse money using the Capitec app. Always double-check details before sending to avoid reversal delays. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick banking tutorials. Do you also want